Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. In this recipe, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make a great alternative for an apple sauce. It's just as easy and maybe even more tasty. So let me quickly show you how to make a pear sauce. Round up a sauce pot, crank up the heat, and drop all the ingredients in. It's fairly simple. Start off with 1/4 cup or 63 milliliters of water. To this, you'll add 5 cups or 780 grams of pears that have been peeled, cored, and diced. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The next ingredient, granulated white sugar, 1/4 cup or 52 grams. And it's optional, the pears might just be sweet enough for the sauce. Pour in 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. For a touch of spice, ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon. You'll also add 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Next, you'll add the zest of 1 lemon. And lastly, 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of orange liquor. Round up a spoon, give it a good mix, make sure that everything is well combined, bring it to a simmer over medium heat. Once it starts to simmer, you can reduce the heat to low and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until the pears are tender. So check it out, this is how it should look. And whenever you stick a knife into the pears, the knife should easily go in and out without any sort of friction. At that point, you're ready to move on to the next step. It's time to blend the sauce. You can make it as smooth or as chunky as you like. You can use an immersion blender like I am, or a regular blender or food processor, whatever's easiest for you. This recipe happens to be in the Sauce and Gravy channel cookbook, Sauces Made Simply. If you'd like to make it in the comfort of your own kitchen, I'll put links to the cookbook in the description section of the video, as well as on the Sauce and Gravy channel website. And once the sauce is as thick as you like, that's all there really is to it. Only thing left to do is enjoy. Thank you for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that like button. Do you like sauces and gravies? Well, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and be sure to hit the all notifications bell to stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce and gravy making tips and techniques. Thanks again for watching this recipe on how to make a pear sauce. Remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Until next time, keep whisking, y'all.